Good morning, candidates. I'm sharing this page with you. This is the latest general knowledge. Yeah, this can be expected in SBI PO or IBPS PO or SBI CBO also. The center has appointed former Supreme Court Justice, name is Ashok Bhushan, as the new chairperson of National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, Chairman Ashok Bhushan. Kotak Mahindra Bank has partnered with the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, to launch Kotak credit cards on the RuPay network named, what is the name of that? VEER, VWER, for Indian Armed Forces. The Jammu and Kashmir team for deaf clinched the first position in World Deaf Judo Championship held at Paris, Versailles, France. Jammu and Kashmir team for deaf. They climbed, what is that? World Deaf Judo Championship. VAX, VAX, has been chosen as the word of the year by Oxford English Dictionary in 2021. VAX, VAX. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin has got WHO approval as the technical advisory team has recommended the India-made vaccine for emergency use, listing for 18 years and above Covaxin. The RBI has issued a revised prompt corrective action for banks to enable supervisory intervention at appropriate time and also act as a tool for effective market discipline. Prompt corrective action. Gross goods and services tax GST collection for the month of October came in at rupees 1,30,127 crore, the second highest collection since GST was implemented in 2017 July. State Bank of India has launched a video life certificate service for pensioners, which will allow pensioners to submit their life certificates via video from their home. Superb. RBI has launched its first global hackathon named Harbinger 2021, theme of which is Smarter Digital Payments. Launched first global hackathon, and name of that is the named Harbinger 2021. The theme is Smarter Digital Payments. Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, is among the 49 cities selected worldwide to join the UNESCO Creative Cities Network, UCCN. UNESCO Creative Cities Network, Srinagar. Domestic Credit Rating Agency, Brickwork Ratings, not many of us are familiar with this. Brickwork Ratings has estimated the gross domestic product of India at 10 to 10.5% in the current financial year 2021-22. The Delhi state government has launched the Shramik Mitras for construction workers. Shramik Mitras. India's Manu Bhaker bagged 2 gold medals in the ISSF President's Cup at Wroclaw, Warsaw. I think this is some spelling mistake. Warsaw in Poland, featuring the top 12 shooters in each of the shotgun, pistol, and rifle categories. United States Space Agency, NASA, and Elon Musk-owned private rocket company SpaceX have launched the Crew 3 mission on November 10, 2021, whose mission commander is Rajachari. Rajachari. Then NPCI, Bharat Bill Pay Limited, the wholly owned subsidiary of National Payments Corporation of India, has tied up with ICICI Prudential Life Insurance to provide its Marco offering has tied up with ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Next one, Falguni Nair, the CEO, Chief Executive Officer and founder on beauty and fashion e-commerce platform Nykaa, NYKAA, has become the richest self-made woman in India. Falguni Nair. Falguni Nair. Next is Satya Narayan Pradhan has been appointed as the Director General of Narcotics Control Bureau. Satya Narayan Pradhan. Then Professor Bimal Patel of India has been elected to the International Law Commission for a period of 5 years from January 1, 2023. Professor Bimal Patel of India has been elected to the International Law Commission for a period of 5 years. India's first grass conservatory or germ plasm conservation center spread over an area of 2 acres was inaugurated at Ranikhet in Almora district of Uttarakhand. Then the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has appointed Shombi Sharp of the United States, Shombi Sharp of the United States, a sustainable development expert as the UN resident coordinator in India. Shombi Sharp. So thank you so much. Best wishes.